Just like a logo, your landing page acts as a valuable piece that magically increases the face value of your brand. It is the smart way to drive conversions rate, enhance your brand visibility and reach your marketing goals effectively. Making a good landing page isn't a technical thing, but it takes some time and effort to create a high-converting landing page. Here is how you can build a high-converting landing page. A perfect headline is imperative. You must focus on making every headline as well as subheadings killer, readable, and thought-provoking to hook the user's attention. Make a great impression with visual content. Pictures are an essential component of landing pages as the brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text. So as you select and place your images, remember that the pictures should be large, relevant and need to be high quality. Call to action is all you need. Strategically and smartly keep the call to action in the right place for the customers to take the action. It's important to know that there is no shortcut or manual needed for creating a perfect landing page. You just need to think differently, creatively, and thoughtfully to evoke the right emotion in the reader's mind. For more such informative content, subscribe to Agio.